Normal programming has been interrupted at the request of the U.S. government. Everyone receiving this broadcast should pay close attention. Please stand by.
The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 12 nuclear missiles aimed towards the mainland United States. These missiles are considered to be armed with nuclear warheads. It is too late to evacuate if you reside in one of the cities that will be hit by the nuclear strike. Important instructions vital to your safety will follow. Seek fallout shelter now and brace for the impact. Get there right away. This is an attack warning. I repeat, this is an attack warning. An attack warning means that a full-scale nuclear attack from Russia has been commenced against the United States and that protective action must be taken immediately. The North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected the launch of 5 additional missiles directed towards the United States. Brace for the impact. These missiles have a minimal likelihood of being intercepted. Will almost certainly kill you. Tune into a station that is serving your area for more information.